as of October 30th, Affinity released Affinity 3. Now, we all that have been using Affinity, we are quite used to the Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, and Affinity Publisher, all right? And most of us bought these, paid for these apps as an individual app, and they have tried as much as possible to integrate it such that if you have the three apps, you can easily switch, but it becomes even much more better. October 30th, last month, Canva that bought over Affinity a couple of months back announced Affinity Creative Freedom for free, like creative freedom for free. It is free forever. So you have access to all these three applications combined in one for free. For free, you're not paying anything. So Adobe, here is a run for your money. So that being said, but the catch here is just the fact that Canva, because Canva own Affinity now, they would require you to have a Canva account for you to be able to access Affinity. And remember, in the last update Affinity did, the last update they did was an AI update, and we all had access to that update. But as it is now, we can only access the basic version of that AI updates in this new Affinity 3. And for you to enjoy the fullness of the AI bits within the Affinity 3, then you have to operate a Canva premium account. For here in Nigeria, for me to operate a very basic premium account, I need just about 5,000 naira, which I think is something some creatives can afford if you really want to explore to see what this really looks like. And the beautiful thing is the fact that this premium version, you can start a trial version, a 30-day trial version, to actually see what it looks like. Based on the information I've gathered, I also understand that the AI features within the Affinity 3, it's still developing and a whole lot can still be done in that space, but you can still explore as it is. So that is where we are at the moment. See you guys as we take a deep dive into all the features there is in Affinity 3. Come with me.